If you are getting a message replace waste toner bottle or is almost full, let's replace it in 5 easy steps. Turn your printer off. Step 1. Remove your paper tray. Step 2. Open front cover. Step 3. Pull out the waste toner box. Be careful not to tilt the waste toner box to avoid spilling toner. Step 4. Install caps on inlets. Put the waste toner box on a table and install the 5 waste toner bottle caps on the waste toner inlets. The caps should be located on your waste toner box. Step 5. Insert your new toner waste box. Remove all blue stickers from your new waste toner box. Turn your machine back on and you should be all good to go. Please consider leaving a like if the video helped.